Welcome to this short product demo of Searchmetrics. Now, Searchmetrics does a lot of things, mostly collecting a lot of data, and obviously instead of just giving you a lot of raw data, Searchmetrics is very good at providing insight. So raw data is meaningless if you use algorithms, calculations to turn that data into something meaningful. Then we can finally start to think about what does it actually mean, how does my website perform, etc. Now, how we can start quickly is, for example, I can just look up Expedia.com. There we go. Now, in our research database, we can give you a quick audit of what's happening with Expedia.com. We can go in some organic search results. We have some paid search results, backlink results, etc. And we know all of these things because basically we understand exactly what happens on a SERP. So for instance, the keyword Expedia, we know exactly what happens on this page. We store all the information on this page, and now we can tell you which ads were live, what's the what are the organic results, what kind of universal integrations are there, etc. And we calculate how much traffic you would be getting on any specific position on this specific page. Now, in our software, that looks like this. Here are all the SERPs where Expedia.com appears, and here are the search volumes, and we calculated the traffic on that position. Now, we can start thinking about how does your website perform in terms of traffic and conversions. We want to understand how many people come to your website. We don't really care about which position you rank on. Positions are meaningless. It's raw data. A position becomes important and valuable when we can actually see the impact a position has. Hence, traffic index. And to make that a little bit easier, we took an easier calculation in traffic, and we call it visibility. And we accumulated all the visibility points you have on every single ranking position. And here you go over time. And we see here that Expedia had a nice penalty here in January 2014, and they recovered back here in May. Now, this is all interesting information, but what is most important when we think about organic search, or actually not even that, when we think about our website, is that our website needs to reflect the market that I'm targeting. Expedia is not interested in ranking for a keyword such as phone numbers or whatever, or ranking for a keyword where they would be selling shoes. That's not Expedia's business. However, our research database is going to tell you exactly how Google has interpreted your website. Expedia ranks for these keywords and over 1 million more, and it can be anything. This is basically how Google has evaluated your website. This is only important and is only relevant when we start looking into really just into the keywords that are relevant to you, because eventually down the line, you want to make sure that when you have a ranking, that you have a page, that it actually ranks on the search engine result pages where people actually take action. If people are looking for a hotel in Myrtle Beach, then basically the SERP for hotels Myrtle Beach, you want to have Expedia there.